For most UX design jobs, you need above average UI design skills to be considered a competitive candidate. That is why I will share with you 4 UI design exercises that will help you become better at UI design faster so that you can get that UX design job. To improve your observational skills, first find out some design works that are created by designers whose UI skill levels are better than you. Usually these are found in sites such as ScreenLane, where you can actually look for production level designs that are actually created by professional designers. You copy it and paste your screenshot into your favorite design tool, and then you begin asking yourself, why is this element in this place, or why is the text height this much, why is this element taking such a little space, etc. Second way to improve your observational skills is again finding some design work, and then you will try to critique in a manner of finding mistakes and identifying some potential solutions, such as maybe the accessibility, the color contrast of the application is a bit off. Maybe the sizing of, let's say, text is too small to be legible. Now, once you are actually good at observing your design skills and others, you want to create an inspiration bank or folder where you store up all of designers' works who are better than you in some shape of a format, so that when you begin a new project, you already have some ideas you can try on. For example, for me currently, I've been trying to improve my thumbnail design skills when it comes to YouTube videos. So I actually take a lot of screenshots of the thumbnail designs that I like and actually can imitate from, so that I can become better in that graphic design skill. Third exercise involves active practice and actually has 2 components. In the first one, what you do is you pick a design from the community files in the Figma that you like and you put it in your project, and then I want you to create variations of that same screen where you change typography, colors, maybe UI design elements, etc. This is very important because usually the right solution when it comes to solving a UI design problem involves doing many solutions, so you don't actually settle for the first one, but you pick the right solution for the right UI design problem. The second component of this active practice exercise involves doing synthesis. Now what you do is you pick at least 2 screens that you like in the Figma community files, and what you try to do is you are going to try to merge the ideas in both of the applications in a third screen, where you might take, let's say, the color and typography from the first screen and the UI design elements from the second screen, because when it comes to solving UI design problems, the right solution is not a solution A or B, but a solution C that took some part of A and some part of solution B. The last exercise is to do an end-to-end project so that you can develop your UI design skills. First, I want you to write down 5 ideas and problems you have in your life right now that you would like to solve with an app someday. Then I want you to go to designlab.com and into their 12-day design challenge page, where you can go through the whole process of actually beginning with an idea and ending it with a high fidelity design. I want you to do this because it will give you an idea of how to connect your UX design knowledge and UI design knowledge, but also serve as a great piece in your beginner portfolio. And finally, it will simulate real-world UX design projects, if you do the work right, that will let you know if this career is good for you. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you want to find out the 5th exercise that will improve your UI design skills way faster, please click on this video next.